We apologize for the interruption. Information will be shared. Please stand by. We apologize for the interruption. Information will be shared. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message was transmitted by Her Majesty's Government at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The commencement of the new annual purge in the entire UK will begin shortly. If you're not aware on what's happened in the US, here's some information. The new NFFA, also known as the New Founding Fathers, has conducted an experiment called the Purge on Staten Island, which caused riots around the US. The people of United Kingdom were also outraged by this, and riots began across the UK. In one case, a person attacked Boris Johnson, badly hurting him. This outraged the Prime Minister, making him support the NFFA. In which case they made an agreement for the experiment to take place in both countries. The following rules to do in the purge are: weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use. All of the weapons higher, such as explosives, rocket launchers, and grenade launchers, are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity, meaning the following: Boris Johnson, Jacob Rees-Mogg, Theresa May, Chris Bryant, and many more shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime including murder will be legal for 12 hours from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Police, fire, medical services, and the Coast Guard will be unavailable until tomorrow morning when the purge concludes. High attacks are happening in the following locations: Ireland, Belfast, Eden, Waterford, Omaha, Cavan, Tullamore, Dublin, Kildare, Bray, Cork, Killarney, Scotland, Invergordon, Ullapool, Fort Augustus, Clifton, Stirling, Glasgow, Livingston, Edinburgh, St Andrews, Dundee, Aboyne, Wales, Cardiff, Swansea, Llanelli, Neath, Penarth, Barry, Skewen, Pontypridd, Aberystwyth, Porthcawl, England, Plymouth, Kenton, Exeter, Southampton, Crawley, Reading, Oxford, Milton Keynes, Warwick, Coventry, Birmingham, Sheffield, Cromer, Norwich, Colchester, Manchester, Liverpool, London, Southend-on-Sea, Brighton, and Portsmouth. Stay massively safe if you're in these following locations. God bless Britain and the return of its empire. May God be with you all, and God save the Queen.